Hi everyone, on this channel I review various sites that you send me. I do it so you don't have to. The topic of today's video is Amazon gift cards completely free, which is on a site a few of you asked me to review. Is it possible? Can you get it? Oh yeah, yes you can. You will find out in this video how. I will just explain to you what an Amazon gift card is. Most people already know, but for those who don't, it's worth explaining. With a gift card you can charge your Amazon account for a certain amount and then you can buy yourself a premium subscription on Amazon Prime, or you can get your favorite clothes and your favorite products on Amazon. For example, with this gift card you can buy also your favorite shoes if you want, or anything that Amazon has to offer. This is a great site, and you can get gift cards completely free, and you can find it in the pinned comment below this video, so check the comments and it's gonna be there. Alright, so let's check the site. As you can see here, it has already sent out thousands of gift cards and there are loads of more still available. There is also some info about how the site works and this feedback from the happy users. So as I said before, you can find the link to the site on the pinned comment. Now tap on the click here button and this new window is gonna show up. So once you're here, you need to choose the desired gift card from $10 to $100, and once you do, afterwards you need to tap on the proceed button. This is going to require you to complete a few extra steps, which I have already completed to make the video shorter because I didn't want to make the video very long. But once you complete the extra steps, you're gonna get the gift card just like this. And now I'm gonna copy it and you need to do the same thing. And once you copy the gift card code, simply go back to your Amazon website just like this, go back to Amazon, and once you are on your profile, I'm gonna show you what you need to do. So once you have the code, tap on your profile over here, and then you need to tap on the gift cards button, and in the end tap on the original gift card and paste the code that we got earlier. So here we are, I'm gonna paste my code and then tap on the apply your balance or apply to your balance button, and then once you do that, this window is gonna show up, and as you can see it says here that we have a $100 gift card that we can add to our balance. So yeah, the site works and it actually gives Amazon gift cards. I really recommend it. This is a great site, especially for people who love shopping, because you can get your favorite gift card completely for free. And if you want me to check any other sites, please ask in the comments. I check most days and will do a review for you. If you like the video, do not forget to leave a like and subscribe, it really helps. Have a great day and enjoy the gift cards.